In my previous video, I showed you how to index your Mega account and how to download a public Mega file through that account. Today I'll show you a much easier method. A lot of you commented that the previous approach was too difficult and that sometimes the code wouldn't display. So, I built a second app, made specifically for shared Mega link users. Here's the shared Mega link we'll be working with, an ISO file, roughly 6.2 gigabytes. Let's get started. This is the project I've been building, and this is its interface. Give it a moment while the container spins up. This is my GitHub page, and I'll leave the link in the description. I've updated a number of features, and the full documentation lives in the README, with screenshots showing exactly how everything works. You can also see the Mega account and the index one shared. That was method 1, which I covered in the previous video. Now for the easy method, built purely for shared links. Here you'll find the section titled Additional Deployment Method for Shared Links Only. There are only a few steps. First, copy the worker.js file, right-click worker.js and open it in a new tab. The code opens up and it's a long file. Select the whole thing with Ctrl+A and make sure nothing is left out. Copy it with Ctrl+C. Then head back to my GitHub page. The next step is the Cloudflare dashboard. Right-click the dash.cloudflare.com link here and open it in a new window. You'll need a Cloudflare account, and creating one is straightforward. Once you're signed in, your dashboard will look like this. Click the Compute button, then go to Workers and Pages. From there, click Create Application. Choose Start with Hello World. It will ask you to name your app. Any name works. I'll call mine an S-Shared. Pick whatever name you like, then click Deploy. Once it deploys, you'll land on a page like this. In the top right corner, you'll find the Edit Code button. Click it. Now clear out all of the boilerplate template code and make sure the editor is completely empty. Then paste in the code we copied earlier using Ctrl+V. That's it. Click Deploy. Notice that this method needs no username and no password, so your Mega credentials stay out of it entirely. Once it reports a successful deployment, click the Visit button. You'll see a simple index page with a field for your Mega link. I'll use the link I showed you earlier. Copy your Mega link, paste it into the indexer, and click Index it. And there it is. Your file is indexed and folders work here too. You can copy the link or just hit download. I'll download this Ubuntu file now and click Save. You can see it's running at roughly 5 megabytes per second. That's because I'm sitting far from the Wi-Fi and the connection here is slow to begin with. I'll pause it. Downloads can be paused and resumed freely. That said, I'd recommend using a download manager such as FDM. It handles pausing and resuming, and it'll finish the job faster. Let me pause this one and move it across to get the maximum speed. Set the priority to high. As you can see, it's downloading multi-threaded. So with a faster connection, it'll saturate whatever bandwidth you have. Mine is simply slow. And if a download ever fails in FDM, you can pause and resume at any time. The link keeps working. There are no quota restrictions to worry about here. The quota is effectively a myth with this method. A download may stall around the 5 gigabyte mark, and all you do is hit pause, then resume, and it carries straight on.
No praxis, no VPN.
It really is that simple. If this video or the tool helped you out, a GitHub star would mean a lot, and I'll keep posting videos like this one. So following my GitHub account helps more than you'd think. You're free to use this project. All I ask is that you credit my name or my GitHub ID, or mention it in your README. That would be the best contribution of all. Thanks for watching.